And you're watching on TSMNvirtual.
The restaurants are closed
And yeah, like our mom is cooking for us and it's hard for her. So we decided to give our mom a break. And we are going to be doing surprise cooking! Woo!
I just got a great idea.
What?
You know how we're too young to go in the kitchen?
Yeah.
You know, we may burn the house.
Yeah.
How about let's ask Dad for help?
Yeah, that would be a perfect idea. He would be so much help.
It's gonna be the best. Let's go! It turned out so good.
Yeah, I really want to eat it right now.
I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah.
Ready!
Woo! We're ready to eat. I am so stuffed.
Oh my god, I was in food heaven.
I know. That was amazing, spectacular, magnificent.
What are you doing? It's like you're in a movie.
Oh, I thank you.
And when Mom saw the food, she was amazing. She was so dazzled.
I know. Wait, since because I was very fashionista, I got the best idea. For our next episode, we are going to be doing quarantine fashion show. Can't wait to do some in my quarantine looks. I can't wait.
Yeah, and me, I know what I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be yeah, you know what? I'm gonna keep it till a surprise. Stay tuned for next episode.
Quarantine fashion show. I'm Renae.
And I'm Vivan.
And you're watching on
TSMN
TSMN
Virtual. Bye.